Hi guys, I'm Akriti and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to get this flawless looking base that is the basis of your makeup. And yeah, if you are a beginner, this video is going to be very helpful to you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to get this base with a beauty blender and even with a brush. So whatever tool you have, just grab it right here, sit back, relax and watch this video carefully. And now we'll just get started. So the most important thing to get your base very flawless is to prepare your skin first. So preparing your skin is very important to have a very nice finish, so that the foundation glides on very easily and you have a very clean look. So yeah, I am doing my skincare. This is very basic skincare that I do. You can do whatever you like to do, and yeah. Once you are done with your basic skincare, do not forget to moisturize, as moisturization is very important to help the makeup stay for longer and it looks very nice and flawless. So I'm using this Nivea's moisturizer, very basic thing. So I'm done with the moisturization. After that, there is one very important step, that is applying a primer. So the reason why I don't apply a primer is basically the main function of primer is to get a clear base for people who have very large texture, large pores. So as you can clearly see, I do not have any of those things. So yeah, I do not apply any primer. But if you do have open pores and very uneven texture of your skin, you need to use a primer which will help your base look very flawless. Or if you guys do not have a primer, you can use a aloe vera gel instead. I've mentioned this in the couple of other videos of mine and it works just fine. So yeah, now for today's video, I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. So for this side, I'm using a brush, and you see, you have to do this and not just swab it like that at the first. And always do not forget your ears, because then it will look very different from your skin tone. And you see, this is what you have to do, and not rubbing it like that, just simple motions like you do with a beauty blender. Be careful around your eyes to not poke your eyes with the brush, and go about like that, just like that. And you see, you have a very nice finish. It is not cakey at all. And now I'm using a beauty blender. So what you need to do is, again, like, do this. Also make sure that your beauty blender is damp. It is not dry, so that it doesn't pick up a lot of product, but it takes up the excess and leaves what is important. Okay, so for the beauty blender part, I feel this gives me like a really better flawless look. But yeah, that's based upon the preference and the tools you have. Even if you don't have a beauty blender, that's okay. Also, this beauty blender is a very normal beauty blender that you get from your local shops. So yeah, in case you're wondering. And see what I'm doing? Just like that, pushing the makeup, pushing the foundation into my skin to make it look very flawless. So take your time in blending, because that is very important. That is what is gonna make your base look very natural. Like you see, you have a very natural base. It looks very natural, like my skin, and not very overdone. And for that, very important thing is also that you choose the right foundation shade. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to check your perfect shade, then do comment down below and I'll definitely make a video about it. So take good amount of time in blending your makeup, because that is the most important thing. No matter what tool you have, the basic thing will remain the same, that is blending. So take a good amount of time to blend till you reach a point you feel that yes, now my makeup looks very nice and natural looking. And yeah, this is how my base looks like with just the foundation. So base also includes applying a concealer, so I'm using this one by Nykaa that I always use. For this side again I'm using the same brush. It's fine, you can choose to take a smaller brush, but again close your eyes when you're doing this step, because as the brush might poke your eye and you'll hurt yourself. So yeah, don't just glide it like that, because then it's gonna leave the brush strokes and that will not look flawless. So just do this and see how flawless and beautiful this looks. Take time in blending, obviously, as I said, that's the most important thing. And yeah, you see, there you have it. And now using a beauty blender, I'm using this side because this is more narrower, and I'm using it like that, and again pressing this and not like doing this, just pressing it gently to make it go inside your skin and blend easily. And yeah, there you have it, you have your flawless looking base. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful in any way. Yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.